How to fix a frozen Telegram account on Android. This tutorial shows you what to do when your Telegram account gets restricted or frozen. First, open Telegram on your Android device and check if there's any message or notice from Telegram explaining why your account was frozen. After that, if you see a notice, tap on it. Telegram usually provides a reason and may give you an option to appeal directly from there. From there, if no notice is shown, the most common cause is suspicious activity or violating Telegram's terms of service. Right here, go to telegram.org/support from your browser and submit a support request explaining your situation. Next up, in your message, include your phone number with the country code and clearly state that your account has been frozen and that you'd like it reviewed. Moving on, wait for a response from the Telegram team. Account reviews can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Finally, keep in mind that repeatedly logging in from multiple devices or sending mass messages can trigger an automatic freeze. Once restored, avoid any activity that could flag your account again. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.